I want to start creating and in this dashboard I want to basically do the following calculations. Okay. Like this. Okay, and this one I'm going to call this RNG months. Okay, I'm going to do like this. We're going to do the followings. I'm going to calculations. I select 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm gonna give transpose array, and this is my array, and then I close, Control Shift Enter, and formulas, manage name, defined here before. I'm gonna give this. Okay, here we are, close. Then the dashboard going to the developer ribbon. I'm gonna insert this combo box here, and here I type RNG months. Okay, and here you see that we have our months. Get design mode. Here we are. Okay, we have our months. Okay, type this. Okay, we are going to see this one. Start with this. So we need now to fix this. We will see how to show a graph based on this value of this drop down. Okay, we will see that in the next video.